becomes a forest grown. Kindness bloom like mango tree, giving shade to you and me. Every smile and helping hand build a better promised land. Plant more love, watch it grow, like the rivers gently flow. Hold the faith, take your stand. Peace begins with every hand. Plant more love every day. Let compassion lead the way. Plant more love near and far. That's the brightest shining star. One love, one heart, that's where healing truly starts. Plant more love, just show the way. Share your bread with those in need. Every generous act succeed. Lift the weary from despair. Show them someone truly cares. When forgiveness fills the soul, broken hearts become made whole. Every word that's gently said brings new life where hope seemed dead. Here I now,
A tree
never eats
its own fruit,
a river,
never drinks
its own water. The great express
of life.
is to become a blessing to someone else. Let the children learn from we how to live in harmony. Teach them mercy, teach them grace. Love can change the human race. Though tomorrow none can see, choose today to plant a tree. Long after we're gone away, love will still remain and stay. Find more love, watch it bloom. Even in the darkest room, plant more love faithfully. That's the path to liberty. One love, one heart, let the brand new